Alright. Go ahead and bring your air ratchet over here. What size is that? Half inch?
9/16.
Bring it over here. So you got the bottom in, you got the gaskets back in. See that, sir? Okay, we'll go ahead and let you tighten up those 6 bolts. Let me get out of your way, dude.
Snug.
Yeah, we're just going to snug them up. Start in the center and work your way out. Hey, Maddox. There you go. There you go. Those are all started.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to run back through them? Or?
No, I think hit this one right here again, man. That one kind of worries me, man. Pop that one out. We'll throw a washer on that pressure because it's a touch longer than the rest. You can, like when you do that,
Like
you
run
run
it?
yeah, just give it a little turn, you know, and you don't have to always do it, but it just kind of checks and you know what I mean. But sometimes, I don't know, the compressor don't seem like it's old. All these tools are old, but yeah, just kind of check it. I think that's cool. All right, so got that out. If you want to, go ahead and start putting the plugs back in. I used to always hate putting spark plugs in. So I was always afraid I was going to break one. Putting it in or taking it out or cross threading it, they used to always freak me out when I was younger. Get it?
Yeah.
There's the wrench.
Just snug.
Number one. Three. Number five. Number seven. We good?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put some gas to it. We're gonna hit it, make sure we got the exhaust thing taken care of.
All right.
That's probably way too much. Sound like it's going.
Yeah.
Try it one more time. Come on, baby. I'll hit it one more time. You ready? Yep. It's good. All right. The transmission. Okay. That's it for this, man. We're good. Turned out nice. All righty.